Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync audio with video in CapCut in one click. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and let me walk you through the step-by-step process there. So here you go. I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, I have got two media files. One is a screen recording and another one is a talking head video. So I'm going to drag both of the files into my playhead, and after that we are going to sync the videos. For example, if I now simply start the video.
Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video,
that both of the videos are not syncing properly. So to sync them, the process is very simple. I'm gonna select both of the files and then let's click on the right button of our mouse, and after that we're gonna click on sync video and audio. Here we go. Now if I take you to the starting of this video here.
hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional portfolio.
Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I can just in a glance, I'm going to show you how I'm going to edit them. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process there. So now I am going to be on my computer screen. So let's simply scale this down. And let's put this here. I'm gonna use mask to give a round filter, but later on, not in this video. So here you go, I'm on my computer screen and now I'm going to visit Doric. This is it. So I believe you have got the point how you can sync audio with video in your CapCut video editor easily in one click. So this was the tutorial. I believe you found this video helpful. If you have got any confusion, any question, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. I hope to see you in my next videos. And if you want to learn more about CapCut video editing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.